Pero wiser ba ka mo? Dapat sulit ang pera kahit anong mangyari sa buhay mo. Whether magkasakit ka several times, maiksi o mahaba ang buhay, hindi masasayang ang perang pinaghirapan mo up to the last centimo. Eh paano? With FWD Set for Health, you get up to 3 times cash benefits. Yes, 3 beses kang pwedeng makaklaim kapag na-diagnose ka ng unrelated major critical illness like cancer, stroke, or heart attack. Merong one-time claim din ito for a minor critical illness. FWD Set for Health is also bundled with life insurance kaya kahit kakabayad mo pa lang ng plan, kinabukasan, pinapagpahinga ka na ni Lord, may makukuhang death benefit ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Eh paano physic kung mahaba ang buhay at hindi naman nagkaroon ng major critical illness? At age 75, lahat ng ibinayad mo, ibabalik ni FWD 100% guaranteed. Nasayang, di ba? Kaya para maging pero wiser, secure yourself a set for health plan so you can celebrate life whatever happens. Comment health below if you want a personalized quote. This is PC, your financial wealth planner. Thank you.